In this video we are going to see how to recover the last two words of a Solana seed. I'm assuming that we know at least one address generated by that seed. This technique can be used to recover a seed used for many others cryptos. But I'm focusing on Solana here because this case has been brought to my attention. We are going to use Python and an open source software called BTC Recover. I'm going to do everything on a Windows sandbox. Windows Sandbox is an optional Windows feature that provides a very convenient way of running a virtual machine. Once we close the Windows Sandbox, all modifications and software installations that we are going to do will be gone. It is also an easy way for me to start from scratch, thus showing you the whole process from the beginning to the end. Installing and using the Windows Sandbox is optional and beyond the scope of this video. You can follow every step of this video on your PC. Let's start the process. Here you can see that I have annotated a seed which is missing its two last words, and an address that is generated with that seed. I'm going to start my Windows Sandbox now, but, as I told you before, you can skip this step. Installing Python. Open a Windows terminal by clicking Start and typing cmd. If you are running in a normal machine, type Python, and the Microsoft Store will pop up with the Python installation page opened. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. If you are, like me, using a Windows Sandbox, go to python.org and download a Windows installer for 64 bits. Run the installer and remember to check add python.exe to path. Once you are done with the installation, you can check that Python is correctly installed by opening a new command prompt and typing python ---- version. Installing BTC Recover. BTC Recover is an open-source software that is going to guess the last two words of our seed. You can follow the links that I'm going to leave in the description to check out the project and to download its latest version. Once it is downloaded in a zip file, unzip it. Go to the unzipped folder and navigate to the inner BTC Recover-master folder. Click on the address bar and type cmd. This will open a command prompt in this folder. Typing this command will install all the libraries and components that BTC Recover needs to work properly. Once the process is done, you can check that everything has gone okay so far by typing this command to run tests. You will want to see only green and blue notifications. Installing Microsoft C++ build tools with Visual Studio Installer. Up to this moment, we can use BTC Recover to recover seeds for many cryptos. However, it needs additional tooling to be able to help us with a Solana seed. Follow the link and download the Visual Studio installer. Run the Visual Studio installer and select Desktop Development with C++. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Close the installer afterwards. Installing BTC Recover requirements for Solana. Now that we have installed the tooling we need, we can go back to our command prompt and run this command to complete the installation of BTC Recover for Solana and other cryptos. Remember, I am leaving all commands and necessary links on the description. Using BTC Recover to recover our seed. We are now ready to look up for the 2 missing words in our seed. We are going to use this command. Pay attention to the last parameter, address limit. The higher it is, the longer it will take to finish. I'm using 5 here because I'm assuming that the address we know is among the first 5 generated with my seed. If you know that the address is the first, you can write 1 and it will take a shorter time. At this point, BTC Recover warns us about its limitation and best practices when dealing with seeds and crypto. I'm already running this software in a sandbox, but just to show you, I'm going to disable its network adapter to make sure it doesn't send my seed away, in case I have downloaded a malicious software by accident. Okay, now BTC Recover will ask us for a wallet file. We have none, so we press cancel. Now it is asking us what kind of seed we are trying to recover. Select Solana. This is the derivation path used by Phantom and other wallets. Again, we don't have a master extended public key, so let's hit cancel. Here BTC Recover asks us for the known address. So, let's enter it and click OK. Now it is asking for our best guess for our mnemonic. This is where we enter our partial seed. I'm going to write 11 and 12 on the places of the 11th and 12th missing words, so BTC Recover knows where to look up for them. After a while, the software will find the missing words and will show it to us in a dialog box. What a relief! Consider donating part of your recovered funds to the software developers. I would accept a tip too if you were so inclined. Just let me know in the comments. After that, close the Windows sandbox, and all the modifications on the system will be gone. Hope it helps.